Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, here I will present about steps to make a descriptive paragraph with correct punctuation. Group name Dilatbiang Raini. Definition of paragraph description. A descriptive paragraph is a paragraph made by the author with the aim of describing an object so that reader seems to see the object, or a paragraph that describes an object that is arranged in a writing that can be felt by the human sense. How to make a descriptive paragraph? 1. Define object. The first step is to determine an object that you will describe into a paragraph description. This object is like a theme in another essay, such as scientific works, argument, short stories, and so on. 2. Determine the type. After determining an object, the next step is to determine the type of description to be created. Choose according to ability. If you prefer to write things related to opinions, then choose an objective description. 3. Use language that is easy to understand. 4. Choose an interesting title. 5. Exaggerating the object under discussion. The main purpose of this method is to make the reader curious about the object we are discussing. 6. Make your description important for them to know. Purpose paragraph description. The author purpose of describing an object can be in the form of an advice, an appeal, or an invitation from the author to an object, or to describe the object seen by the author so that the reader seems to see the object described of by the author. Rules for writing descriptive paragraphs. 1. Contains adjective. 2. Using nouns. 3. Using noun phrases. 4. Contains transitive verbs. 5. Contains adverb. Example of a descriptive paragraph. The beauty of the city of Magetan. I am a resident of one of the cities in Indonesia. The city I live in is a small but very beautiful city, namely the city of Magetan. Maybe because the city is small, this name is so foreign to your ears. One of the cities that became the boundary between East Java and Central Java, which is reached under the slopes of Mount Lau, because it is included in the mountainous area of this city is very fresh and cool. So this city has the nickname Asri, which is safe, fresh, lively, and beautiful. In addition, this city also has one of the mainstay tourist attraction, namely Serangan Lake. The city of Magetan is one of the cities that is deserted. If it has entered the night after Isha, the city will be quiet. Even if you are in an urban area, escape a first Saturday night, especially in the square. The city has an alun-alun wide an area of about which is right in front of the Great Mosque. Question 1. What is paragraph descriptive? 2. What is the purpose of writing a descriptive paragraph? 3. What are the rules to pay attention to when writing descriptive text? Well, That's all the presentation I can convey. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.